Hey everyone, we are excited to share our Conversational AI MetaHuman project. Before we dive into how it works, let's take a quick look at the demo. With our setup, users can interact with the MetaHuman by typing a message or using a microphone. But Configure AI chatbot and text-to-speech buttons allow users to choose and connect their own AI providers, API keys, models, and voice ID. You can also assign each MetaHuman a unique system message. This is the MetaHuman's core prompt, defining their personality, behavior, role, and responsibilities. For example, if you wanted to configure a classroom assistant, you could create a prompt for the MetaHuman to help students answer questions, break down complex concepts, and guide them through assignments. Let's try it out. I'll copy and paste the system message, and for this demonstration, I'll use the chat box.
Hey, there. I'm Jace, a code and cloth educator assistant specializing in MetaHumans and Unreal Engine. How can I help you today? Absolutely. To get started, make sure your character is rigged and has high-resolution textures downloaded. Both are required before you can assemble. Once that's confirmed, head to the ribbon menu and click on Assembly. What would you like to do from there? Of course, it really comes down to your use case. If you're prioritizing the highest possible visual fidelity and quality is more important than performance, UE5 is the way to go. If you need strong visual quality but also want better real-time performance, UE Optimized is the better fit and gives you 3 levels of optimization to fine-tune things further. What's your project aiming for? For a game character, UE Optimized is definitely the right choice. You'll want that real-time performance, and the 3 optimization levels, high, medium, and low, give you flexibility depending on how demanding your scene is. Once you've selected it and chosen your optimization level, just hit Assemble and you're on your way. Happy to help. Good luck with your game character. Feel free to come back if you have any more questions.
This demo showcases how quickly you can configure an AI MetaHuman to fit your exact needs and create an immersive and engaging experience. Before we get started, we'd like to give a big thank you to Georgy Treshchev for all the support and his amazing work on creating the plugins that power our AI MetaHuman system. Because all the plugins used in this video are paid and required for the demo to run properly, let's take a moment and walk through how to purchase the plugins. If you haven't downloaded the Epic Games Launcher and installed Unreal Engine, please check the description. We've included links to all the information you need to get started. Let's head to the Fab Marketplace and search for Runtime MetaHuman Lip Sync. Select the first plugin. Choose your license type, and when you select Buy Now, the site will prompt you to sign in or create an account. Please sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Once you complete the checkout process, you will see a message confirming that your plugin is available in your Fab library. Let's head to the Epic Games launcher. In the Library tab, search for Runtime plugins. We will see that our plugins have been added. Click Install to Engine. We have already installed the plugins, but if you haven't, a pop-up will ask which engine version you want to install to. Select your version and click Install. We are working in 5.6, but this build is compatible with the latest version. Before opening the demo project, ensure that your desired engine version is selected. Now that we've installed the plugins, let's look at the systems powering this entire setup. This project uses 4 core plugins. The Runtime Audio Importer plugin handles all of the audio processing. It manages microphone input, voice activity detection, streaming, format conversions, and acoustic echo cancellation. The Runtime Speech Recognizer handles the speech-to-text functionality. Working alongside the Runtime Audio Importer, it converts the user's voice into text that can be sent to the AI model. The Runtime AI Chatbot Integrator manages the communication between Unreal Engine and the external providers. It supports OpenAI, Claude, DeepSeek, Gemini, Grok, and Olama for locally run models. It also supports multiple text-to-speech providers like OpenAI, 11 Labs, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. Finally, the Runtime MetaHuman Lip Sync plugin handles the real-time facial animation. It analyzes raw audio to drive the MetaHuman's facial performance. So how does the entire system work together? The process starts with the player's voice. Then it is converted into text. That text is sent to a large language model, which is the reasoning engine that generates intelligent responses. That response is passed into a text-to-speech provider, which converts the generated text back into natural-sounding speech. Finally, that audio drives the MetaHuman's lip sync and facial animation. The use cases for AI-driven MetaHumans are nearly limitless, from virtual assistants and intelligent NPCs to interactive historical figures that bring classrooms to life through immersive storytelling. These tools have the potential to make learning more engaging, interactive, and accessible for students everywhere. We believe this technology can do more than create realistic characters. It can inspire creativity, curiosity, and new ways of learning. If you're an educator, developer, school, or organization interested in bringing these experiences into your programs or community, we'd love to connect with you. Please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.